Hey Insiders, we're here staying at the Endless Summer Surfside Resort today. I'm super excited to show you guys this resort. It is gorgeous here at Universal Studios Florida. This is awesome place to stay here on property. So this is where you get dropped off if you're obviously taking a taxi or a car ride from the airport or wherever you're coming from. And the buses are also over here as well. You can see a bus coming in. So this is where you're gonna find all of those fun transportations here on property. Let's head inside and I can show you this beautiful lobby and just an overview of this awesome resort. Surfside Inn and Suites, Universal Orlando. So we're gonna come right straight into the lobby, which is absolutely stunning, very open air, very clean. It's really great. So this is where you check in, which is fabulous. If you come over here to the left, we have the Avis, as well as the Universal Ticket Center over there, so you can get your tickets for your stay. Directly to my left, as we walk in though, I'm gonna keep going. All the way over here, we have elevators, as well as the luggage check-in, bell services if you need it. Also gonna come back over here and we have a Universal Studios store, which has a bunch of merchandise. If you didn't get something while you're in the parks or at City Walk, they have a lot of stuff available for you in here as well, which is great. You don't even have to leave your resort. You can do a lot of shopping, lots of Harry Potter. You can get robes, wands, pins, regular Universal merch. Like I said, literally everything you could possibly need. Most of it is in here. You also have toiletries and stuff, as well as other fun gifts you can buy for yourself for souvenirs to take home for other people. So we're gonna head back out into the main lobby. So I just came in, took a left, went over to the bell services and showed you guys the gift shop. So we're gonna come over here with the awesome Surfside surfboards. So there's two different towers. So tower 1 is to your left and tower 2 is to your right. So that's how you're gonna get to your towers, and you'll obviously know that when you check in. But let's keep going in the lobby. We're gonna go all the way over here to our right. Plenty of seating, lots of great plugins over here if you need to charge while you wait for your room. We have the Beach Break Cafe over here, but we're gonna actually show you the Starbucks first. So we have a lot of seating, and then we have a Starbucks, which is fabulous. It's greatly themed, just for your needs. If you need a nice pick-me-up, we got it. But this is the Beach Break Cafe, which is gonna be like your quick serve dining at this location. Your grab and go dining, that whole thing. It has such a great variety of foods. It's not even funny. So we have like grab and go drinks, grab and go snacks, as well as actual like food items you can place. Also, I love the surfboards, but we have like snacks and stuff over here, which are fabulous, and ice cream, which is great here in Florida. We have some grab and go drinks, including alcohol over here, which is great. And then this is kind of the menus for everything. We have salads, sandwiches, pizza, burgers, cupcakes. I mean, there's such great options here at this resort, as well as, like I said, some other grab and go stuff. But then we have a great dining area as well over here. There's a lot dining area outside, which will go outside in just a minute. And then we have this big dining area over here. So we have, of course, the Coke Freestyle machines if you have a resort mug, which you can also purchase here as well. But this seating area, it never ends, I swear. It's an endless summer and the seating area never ends. But yeah, we have all of this seating back here. Also, I love the theming. It's Florida. Like, this is like beachy, sun, surfing. It's actually like really great. And then it comes into this dining room as well. Great theming in here. It's pretty fantastic. But yeah, plenty of seats. You won't be out of a seat. And then we have also these, I love this surfboard touch. It's so cute. I love it. It's such a good theme for like a dining area. So we're actually gonna walk past where we just were, down this hallway. The pool is to my left, lobby is behind us. And over here, we're gonna have like the fitness center and the game room, ATM. So kind of those amenities you can find. It's a pretty big game room. Very nice for the kiddos and the families, or if you just love games, that works too. But also the pool is to my left. The fitness center is open from 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. You do need a room key to get in. Looks like they have a lot of great machines you can use, which is fabulous. I'm getting, so one person's in there, but you can kind of see all of the fitness center, and then you come over here to a bank of elevators as well as guest rooms. This is for Tower 2. So if you walk out this way, you get to the sandbar. We're actually gonna walk all the way back over to the lobby, and then we're gonna go out from the main lobby to the pool. Okay, made it back to the main lobby. So this is where the Starbucks is. Check-in is over there. So we're gonna walk out these main middle doors and go out to the pool area. So let's head out and check it out. Oh, it is pumping out here. The sun is out. Pool is from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Looks beautiful. Looks like we have like a little seating area over here to my left. Very cool. It just kind of goes around to the other tower. We want to go to the right as you walk out because I'm going to go to show you guys the sandbar. So this is the seating area we saw right outside of the Beach Break Cafe. So we're just heading this way, kind of like we were just walking to inside, but we're outside. But yeah, plenty of seating for everybody here, which is fabulous. Towels, towel return is out here. We have some life vests I can see. I'm not trying to show you guys too much because there are some families enjoying. But we're just gonna keep going this way. But yeah, it is a decent sized pool. I see like a little baby like splash fountains for the kiddos. But yeah, the pool looks great. But here is the sandbar over here. So this is where that exit would have been by those elevators by the fitness center. And there's some restrooms if you just keep walking down this way. But this is the sandbar. So it looks like it's just cocktails. Open from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. Some daiquiris, some mixed drinks. You can get some souvenir drinks and everything. But yeah, so there's like little seating at the bar itself. And it looks like there's like a shelf of seating here, which is great. But yeah, the pool area is really cool. It's literally this whole entire area is the pool. That is really great. It is hot here in Florida and you're gonna wanna utilize the pool. But yeah, the restrooms are also just right here off the pool deck, which is a great option for you guys. I'll walk over that way to show you the bathrooms, but this is such a nice walk around the pool area. It's just beautiful at this resort as well. So yeah, and you kind of overlook a little lake over here, which is also really cool. Definitely gives you, oh, we have a ping pong table over here you can utilize. Definitely looks like you could have a great time on this pool deck. But yeah, and it looks like it's just the exit over here, but I'll show you guys the pretty lake because it's cool. I see some showers in here. You can wash off before or after bathing. But yeah, this is great. And like I said before, pool hours are from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. And yeah, there is the lake. Very, very awesome. Tower 1 and Tower 2 as well. Great views and an amazing pool. This resort's also great, like I said in the beginning, that you can catch the bus to City Walk, which gives you access to everything on Universal property. The parks, the other resorts you can take water taxis and buses to. So you can really get around easy once you're out at a resort. You just take the buses over to where everything is, which is great. So let's go and show you our room. I love the hallways. It smells like a clean resort, which is fabulous. Like it has a really good scent. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. And the theming is just carried out throughout the hallways. I like the blue. It's like you're walking on the ocean, which is great. But yeah, let's go to our room. We're all checked into room 1145 and we're heading into a 2-bedroom suite here. So we first start out with an awesome mirror, full-length mirror. You can check your fit before you head to the resorts. Surfside's awesome. I love the surfing touches. It's so Florida. It's incredible. We have these 2 amazing beds in here. Plenty of space. The artwork is so on point. We have the TV. I love this worry less, surf more. Of course, you have the phone and the in-room pizza delivery until midnight. Gotta love that. Then we have a window over here. This is gonna overlook, we're on the first floor. So we see an awesome little lake out here and then we're right next to the pool, which is incredible. The temperature is right here. And then with the beds, your plug-in situation is gonna be in between the beds with where the clock is. And then these are individually on and off as well, which is great. The artwork is absolutely stunning, perfect for this resort. These beds feel nice and soft and comfortable, which is great. And then we have over here next to the door is our little eating area. So you can have the whole family here and eat some breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or a snack, play some cards, whatever you guys want to do. I do see more plugins on the wall, which is fantastic. We have a kitchenette type thing with a microwave and a mini fridge. It's not just a beverage cooler, that's an actual mini fridge. And then of course you have your Cuisinart coffee maker, which I'm guessing coffee, is in here. With some silverware packets, which is really nice. So you can eat and drink right here. Then we come over to like the shared bathroom space. So we have this great vanity that lights up, 2 sinks, which is fabulous, a hair dryer on the wall, and then we have the bathroom. Great tile floor on the bathroom. We do have a shower curtain at this resort, but we have awesome takeaway amenities for you. Really nice little shower head. It does have a tub, which is great if you have kiddos and you bathe them in the tub. We do have that. And then we get ahead into the bedroom, which again has a great view of the pool. And then we have the bed, obviously. 2 lights on either side with a USB plug, which is great. Also individually, you can turn them on like a little reading light. Have the TV, have this fun little light. How do I turn that on? Can I turn that on? I don't know. I bet I can, but I don't know. It's a cool little light though. And then, is this the light? Ah, I did it. There you go, the coral light, that's really cute. Another plug-in over here, we have some hooks over here for like bags and stuff. And this little shelf, you can put keys, you can put your room key. Just like some nice storage, you can charge some devices there as well, a little poof. And then you have the bed and a closet space that has like an iron, some hangers, places to put extra pillows and blankets up here. So just like your regular hotel room. But this is so amazing. We are gonna enjoy this stay. It's great for the whole family, friends, whatever you're bringing here. This is a great place to stay. Made it back inside the lobby, but that is the resort. It is very easy to walk around, really easy to get to, and it's such a great spot for a vacation for your friends and your family. Hit that like button and subscribe. And if you're interested in staying here, our partners Academy Travel would love to help you with all your booking needs. Links are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.